Hello, all my beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. Today is, oh my gosh. I forgot what today is. I know it's something special, something significant. You know what today is. It's Wednesday, July 15th. Today we announce the winner for Christmas in July Fairies. How exciting! There were so many entries, but only one person gets to win a prize from me today. Now, in my heart, everyone is always a winner. But today, only one person is going to get to win a prize from me, and then their name is going to be sent over to Dana with Dana's One or Less Crochet for the grand prize drawing. I was going to share with you what that person was going to win from me today and then for the grand prize drawing, but that would kind of ruin the surprise of receiving the box. So we'll see. Maybe we'll do a video of that later on. So whoever the winner is today, please be sure and email me with your address as soon as you can, because the sooner I get your address, the sooner I'll be able to mail your box out to you. Now, you guys have all been so wonderful, just fabulous, I say. In fact, you have been such great encouragers and supporters of me, my family, my YouTube channel, that I am so excited for many reasons. One, this here is my first giveaway today. Two, I have met so many goals in my YouTube journey and reach them so much faster than I ever could have imagined. And it's all because of you guys. So I have decided, why not take the joy you've given me and give that joy back to you by having another giveaway. What you think? You like it? You want that? Okay, well, let's do it then. Next month, I'm going to have another giveaway. And so I have picked up a lot of shifts at the hospital this week. And so I'm working several of my days off, but I will have some time next week that will be just for myself. So I will create that video and put it out for you of when that giveaway is going to be, what special word you need to use, and I'll even go ahead and show you in that video what you're going to win for that giveaway. So stay tuned. Now, if you're ready, let's head over to my computer and let's pick us a winner. And we are ready. I've entered the URL link, put in our special word joy, and let's get our YouTube comments. All right, and we're going to come down here and we're going to pick start. And Barbara Riggle Baker. Joy is like love. It means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. I can tell you it is an overwhelming feeling of happiness to me. I feel joy when I see baby animals and plants, and it lets me know the world will go on. I feel joy when I smell flowers, fresh cut grass, a newborn baby, homemade meals, and believe it or not, fresh fertilized fields of crops. To me, these are all signs that life will continue. I want to say congratulations again to Barbara Riggle Baker for winning for my YouTube Christmas in July Fairies. And I am going to send you a box of goodies as soon as you get me your address. If I don't hear from you, I will have to pick another winner. So let me hear from you as soon as you can. And guys, I am so excited about next month's giveaway. So please be sure and stay tuned for that. And remember, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations. I love you guys so much. Bye.